I'm so glad you asked. I would love to talk about it. This is a hardware store microfiber towel. A lot of people can't use these because the woven design gives an icky feeling against the skin, like it's sticking to your hand. Because they're a woven towel, they can't be cut to size without unraveling. The woven design also means that less fibers are in contact with the surface you're trying to clean, and they can also trap debris. Now let's talk about what microfiber is. Microfiber is a tiny filament made from two different synthetic materials, which creates an electrical charge to attract dirt and dust. To be considered a microfiber, the filament used has to be 1 denier or less. The definition of 1 denier is 9,000 meters of that filament not weighing more than a gram. A strand of silk is 1 denier. That's tiny. The size of filament used in your typical hardware store microfiber is somewhere between 0.3 and 0.5 denier. That's not bad, but in my opinion, it doesn't hold a candle to the new McMullan ProShine Ultra Cloth. This is the new McMullan ProShine Ultra Cloth, a different type of microfiber. First, it's a cloth, not a woven towel, so it doesn't feel icky against the skin. And since it's not a woven towel, you can cut this to size, which you might want to do because the McMullan ProShine cloth is huge, 15 3/4 inches by 15 3/4 inches, as you can see here, compared to your regular hardware store microfiber cloth. Now let's get down to the quality of this microfiber. The filament used in the McMullan ProShine Ultra Cloth is 0.1 denier. That means it would take 90,000 meters, 90 kilometers, or 55 miles of this filament to weigh 1 single gram. Because it's not a woven towel, more of those fibers come into contact with the surface you're trying to clean, and there's far less chance it's going to hold on to debris. And microfiber like this removes over 99% of bacteria. It absorbs 400% its own weight, and it can be washed and reused hundreds and hundreds of times. It's lint-free, scratch-free, and streak-free, kind of like a permanent paper towel. The more you use it, the softer it gets. I actually discovered this product while looking for something that would remove bacteria from my hard surface countertops without using chemicals, and let me tell you, I love it. It's fantastic on all types of glass, eyewear, smartphones, devices, screens, stainless steel, countertops, car windshields, and all you have to use is water. If you want to see some demonstrations, check out my ProShine cloth playlist. Now, one more comparison before I tell you how to order this thing. I'm gonna fold the McMullan ProShine cloth 4 times. 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna set that over here. I'm gonna take this cloth and fold it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now take a look at the bulk of the hardware store cloth versus the McMullan ProShine cloth. Well, I hope that answered your question. If you want to order your own McMullan ProShine Ultra Cloth, just hit the link in my bio. Free shipping, US and Canada.